We'll guide you through how to make table in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and connecting it to the internet. Open your preferred web browser and type docs.google.com into the address bar. Press Enter to visit Google Docs. Once the website opens, either open an existing document or create a new one. Wait until the document loads completely before starting to insert the table. Next, click anywhere inside the document where you want the table to appear. This will place your cursor in the exact location for the new table. Look at the top menu bar and click the Insert menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options. Move your cursor over the Table option to open the table selection grid. When the grid appears, move your cursor across the boxes to choose the number of rows and columns you need. As you move your cursor, Google Docs will highlight the table size. Once you find the layout you want, click on it to insert the table into your document. The table will appear immediately in the selected location. Click inside any cell to start typing. You can enter text, numbers, or other information into the cells. After typing in one cell, press the Tab key on your keyboard to move directly to the next cell. This makes it easier to fill in the table quickly without using the mouse each time. Continue filling the table with the information you need. You can click on any cell and type freely. If you want to add multiple entries, simply move from one cell to another using your mouse or the Tab key. This allows you to organize information neatly into rows and columns. Once your table content is entered, click on the outer border of the table. Move your cursor to the edge of any column or row. When your cursor is positioned correctly, the resize cursor will appear. This indicates that you can adjust the size of the table cells. Click and drag the border left or right to resize the column width. If needed, move your cursor to the edge of a row and drag it up or down to adjust the row height. After resizing, review the table carefully. Make sure each cell is the correct size and that the table fits neatly on the page.